We're given the graph of y equals x, y equals 1/4, and y equals 1 over x. We want to find the region over here using first with respect to x and respect to y. So let's go with respect to x first. We know x goes from 1/4 to 4, but our rectangles are going to be vertical. So the problem is between 1/4 and 1, the top function is y equals x, the bottom is y equals 1/4. And then after x equals 1, the top function becomes y equals 1 over x, and the bottom is 1/4. So we need to split this up right over here at x equals 1. So we're going to go from x equals 1/4 to 1. Top function is x, bottom function being 1/4. And then we're going to continue from 1 and go all the way to 4. Now the top function becomes 1 over x, and the bottom function becomes 1/4. So now we're going to integrate this. Antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. 1/4 is just 1/4 x. The antiderivative of 1 over x is ln of x. Okay, so if I plug in 1, I get 1/2 minus 1/4. And then if I plug in 1/4, I get 1 over 32 minus 1 over 16. Now for this, I have ln of 4 minus 1. And then minus ln of 1 is just 0. And then negative 1/4. So this becomes a positive 1/4, and it's going to cancel out with this 1/4. So 1/2 plus, let's see, 1 over 32 minus 1 over 16 is 1 over 32. I have 1/2 minus 1 is minus 1/2, and then plus ln of 4. When I subtract these, I get negative 15 over 32 plus ln of 4. So this is my area, and using the method of doing it with respect to x. Now if I was supposed to do it with respect to y, my rectangles will look sideways like this. And so y would go from 1/4 to 1. The right function would be, well, I have to solve for x here. If y equals 1 over x, find the reciprocal of both sides. That means 1 over y is equal to x. And then y equals x, well, x equals y. So that's, I don't have to solve for x there. So we have 1 over y minus y dy. 1 over y, the antiderivative is ln of y. And then y is just y squared over 2. Plug in 1, well, ln of 1 is just 0. I have minus 1/2. And then I plug in 1/4. Then 1/4 squared is 1 over 16. Divided by 2 is 1 over 32. So now I have negative 1/2 minus negative 1 over 32. That's just adding it. So it's like negative 1/2 plus 1 over 32 minus ln of 1/4. So this will be negative 15 over 32. And now I can split up the ln of 1/4 as ln of 1 minus ln of 4. Ln of 1 is just 0, and then minus negative is just positive. So that's just negative 15 over 32 plus ln of 4. And so we get the same answer.